Hello, dear students. I am Ansi Patel from Samarpan Gyan School, and today we are here with lesson 4, part 5th. Student, we already understand that image formation by spherical mirror. So we can understand that where is object and where image form. But it help from ray diagram. You remember ray diagram? Okay. But without ray diagram, how can you understand that where image formation, or how can you say that where will image form without ray diagram? So yes, there is a method, and that is called sign significance for reflection by spherical mirror. First term, sign convention. So what is convention? Convention means basically it is rules. Okay, rules for example, traffic. Okay, so traffic signal or at road there are certain rules that left hand side you have to go or right hand side you have to go, like that. For spherical mirror, that is concave or convex, there is also a rule that in concave mirror inside the ray will come, in convex the opposite side the ray will come. Understood? So just like that, here also some rules to understand where will image form. For that you have to remember one thing, that is 2D coordinative system. 2D coordinative system. Student, you remember what is 2D coordinative system? So there are two axes mainly. One is x axis and another one is y axis. So from 2D coordinative system, you will understand that how this image form or positive negative sides. So you remember this side, okay, this right hand side always positive and this side always negative. Same above, upper side is always positive and this one opposite side is always negative. So this formula, this concept we are going to apply in this spherical mirror. Student, you can clearly see the x-axis. Here is a concave mirror. It is not only for concave mirror, it is as well as same like convex mirror also. So here we take a concave mirror, x, that is principal axis, that is here x-axis. Okay, x-axis is here, and y-axis, if want to imagine that here is the y-axis. Yes, so here it is x-axis, y-axis. Student, there are certain rules, okay, certain rules to understand sign significance. So we'll go through it directly. First rule is the object is always placed to the left hand side of the mirror. So yes, this is the left hand side and always object will be here in any mirror, concave also, convex also. This is not for plane mirror, students, not for plane mirror, because in plane mirror we get same object and same size as well, like our house mirror, that is plane mirror, and when we see ourselves in the plane mirror we saw the same thing. Okay, no size change or nothing. But if you want to experiment, you can take a spoon and look yourself in both the sides of spoon. You will understand that spherical mirror change, image change. Okay, so here I'll explain you in a very short way that, student, look, this is the mirror, okay, and here this is the side, that is y-axis, this side, you can see y-axis this side, it is positive, students. Yes, so distance towards right, that is positive. Now this is y-axis and this side, so this is negative, student. Distance to towards left, that is negative, so yes, it is negative. Here you can see the object, okay, height upwards positive object, so yes, it is positive. Yes, it is positive. And imagine, okay, you can see here image of that object, so it is negative, it is negative. So from this 2D coordinate system we will understand this thing. Okay, it is in short. Now this pole P is origin here, origin, because here you can say it is origin, so yes, here it is origin. First thing we understood, first rule is the object is always placed at left hand side of the mirror. Okay. Second, all distance parallel to principal axis, that is this x, are measured from pole P. If you want to measure distance between objects, so you will use pole P and this B. So this is your object distance. You want to measure image distance, so you will use this one. If you want to, here you can see center of curvature, focus. If you want to measure focus one, so you'll use pole. So you need to measure any distance to parallel to the principal axis, you will use pole P of the mirror. It is the second rule. Third rule is distance to the left of pole. Here is your pole, and which is, this is the left side. So distance to the left pole are always negative. Distance to the right pole are always positive. So yes, it is negative, it is positive. Distance measured perpendicular above principal axis, that is positive. Distance measured perpendicular below the principal axis, that is always negative. So yes, it is sign convention. Also, focal length of convex mirror taken as a positive, because here is a focus in a convex mirror. It is concave, so focus is here. But suppose now it is convex, so understood, here will be your focus and center of curvature. So here focus and center of curvature both are positive, but in concave mirror your focus is always negative, also center of curvature. Understood, students? So yes, it is all about sign convention. Now moving to the next topic, that is mirror formula. So we'll use the same figure for that, mirror formula. Okay, mirror formula for mirror. This is the formula. Object, here is the object. Imagine it is the object, it is the image. Okay, I'll write object for O, image for I. Okay, so the distance of the object from the pole, that is U. You can see it is the distance, this is object. Okay, and if this is the pole, okay, we already line y-axis here already here. So it is perpendicular line, students, and it is always similar at any point. So it is object, and here it is the pole P, that is called object distance small u. Object distance small u, it means B to P, that is small u. The distance of the image, that is this B dash, from the pole, that is image distance V. Here it is image distance V. And the distance of principal axis to focus, okay, from the pole, that is called focal length. We already know about this. Focal length, small f. The relation between this U, object distance, V, image distance, and F, focal length distance to the respective pole, it is called mirror formula, and that formula is 1 upon F, that is focal length, is equal to 1 upon V, that is image distance to the pole, and 1 upon U, that is object distance to the pole. V, U, F are used to be according to the new categorization sign convention. This formula is valid in all situations for all spherical mirror. It is not possible that it is concave only. No, convex will also the same formula for the all these positions of the object suppose my object is here and it will come to here. So no, my formula will not change. This is the mirror formula. Okay, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So now we'll use this formula in one. So yes students, here is the one example. Mirror formula is here, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Question is, if an object is placed to 10 cm from the convex mirror of radius of curvature 60 cm, then find the position of image. So given is object distance u, okay, object is placed, so it is object distance u, radius of curvature r, okay, so r is equal to 60 centimeter. Radius of curvature r is equal to 60 centimeter. Object placed, so this object distance u is equal to 10 centimeter. But students, here which mirror is used? Convex mirror. Okay, so yes, it is convex mirror and your object is placed here. Here is your radius, that is center of curvature, it is focus. So you have to take this object distance negative. Okay, so u is here, v we have to find, that is position of image, and f is not here, but instead of f there is there is r. Okay, so there is there is one more formula we already know, focal length small f is equal to r upon 2. Remember? Yes. So r is equal to 60 upon 2, and you will get f is equal to 30 centimeter. Now mirror formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. v find करना है, so 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Okay, so f how much? 30 minus u minus 10. Okay, so we'll take LCM and you will get answer 4 upon 30. You can solve in detail. Okay, and if you solve this fraction also, and you will get answer 7.5 centimeter v. Okay, I will send some more example related to this. Just remember that the sign convex mirror used, where you have to change the sign. Because of this, now you can understand sign difference, that where will image plus, positive, negative from 2D coordinate system. You can understand this. Understood student? I hope. Okay, thank you.